Those with sensitive allergies or lung issues may want to avoid the outdoors and monitor air quality as a thick, smoky haze from wildfires in Canada blankets Brevard and much of central Florida. An orange alert was issued Tuesday by the federal agency, which uses ground monitors to access air quality, warning residents that the air quality affected by the lingering smoke is generally unhealthy for people with sensitivities to smoke and other pollutants. That could mean everything from watery eyes to respiratory issues or hospital visits, weather officials say.